How to fix unable to change your birthday on Instagram. What's up everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys a quick method on how you can contact the Instagram support team to change your birthday. First thing that you want to do is try to edit your birthday. If these are the previously entered birthday but the one that you want to change to is not available here, you can contact the Instagram, so just tap on contact us and it will open up a form. So what you can do is, have you previously added a birthday to your Instagram account? So you're going to select yes. According to your current birthday, are you under 18? Then I am going to tap on no. And would the birthday change you're requesting make your age under 18 years old? So in this case, you are going to tap on yes. Depending on your birthday, you can tap yes or no. So if you tap on yes, you can request to your birth year. So I'm just going to select this right here. And then from here, you can select your month as well and your day. Then you can choose the request to change your birthday. And from here, you can just enter your email address, confirm your email address, and you must provide a valid photo ID. So if you're under 18, you must have some kind of government ID on your profile. So you just have to choose the ID and upload it here and tap on send. Then Instagram will contact you on the email that you have provided and they will be able to change your birthday. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys on the next one.